Metsämies.
Welcome to the video, guys. It's 10 p.m. We're gonna go to Tampere with the boys. I'm in a hurry already. We were supposed to be at Tampere at 12 and it's already 10. So I have to hurry. I'll see you later. What up? Let's go. Good morning, guys. It's time for breakfast. We woke up super late. I think it's 2 p.m. We're gonna have some breakfast and go shopping. Eggs were supposed to be scrambled, but I got the fucking pan on high heat, so you know what's up. Nice brown egg, not my favorite. What gonna do? So this one, this is I think it's smoked salmon with some aura used on top and some kind of cheese on the middle also. Not the cleanest, but it's gonna do for today. Alright, I'll show you the finished product. Give me a second. The finished breakfast. Come on, let's link it. Why do I can beat it up with no hands? Alright guys, this is the final breakfast. Let me show you. So, 3 whole eggs, a piece of this smoked salmon roll with the cheese, this Apatina feta cheese, one of these yogurt shakes, the fucking company called Benecol, I don't know, a yogurt, drinking yogurt shake, whatever you call it, and then one of these for some extra protein, and I have my protein powders with me or nothing like that, so I need to get something extra. So this will do. Then the oatmeal with some strawberry jelly. Normally I have my sweets on it, but I didn't take it with me on this trip. We're gonna be here only for 2 days. So this will do. That's for breakfast. I see you later. Ooh. Yeah, look at these guys. They were fucking scrolling TikTok for half an hour and now they're coming and steal my food. My god, these guys need to get a beating today. Hey! Oh!
Mitä poika?
Poika, sä oot pääs.
Mä tulin syömään.
Mennään. Alright guys, it's 12:30. We're gonna hit the gym. I'm gonna have a little tea before. My throat is always fucked. This Finnish cold weather is really taking a toll on my throat. But anyway, I'll see you later at the gym.
Poika, kato meitä.
Me ollaan ihan samalla.
Joo, kato mun kenkää.
Oi vittu. Äijä yks Time Stealer. Oh.
Se on kollekin ihan sama.
We finally arrived at this place. Looks like a fucking prison. As you can see, with the fucking metal barriers are missing.
Killing me softly, I have to choose. Should I leave or should I stay with you? I am addicted, we are too close. One more day and I'll overdose. Killing me softly, I gotta choose. Keep my life or lose myself in you. I'm so addicted, it has to end. But why do I keep holding your hand? I am stuck and I'm hypnotized. Visions of you come and stay the entire night. My mind is buried, rescue out of sight. Crazy me, what do I not see? That you are living poison in my veins. Put the needle in me so that I feel free. I let loose, give you the key. Pray that you'll be dead to me. Ashamed, this is my destiny. Crazy me, what do I not see? That you are living poison in my veins. Put the needle in me so that I feel free. I let loose, give you the key. Pray that you'll be dead to me.
Wrapped around your soul with no control. You can't breathe when you're drowning underwater. There's so much water. I'll run, I'll hide. Darkness always clouds my mind. Look behind, it's moving closer every time. Can you feel it wrapped around your soul with no control? You can't breathe when you're drowning underwater. There's so much water.
Alright guys, so we finished with the session. We hit some, actually I hit some.
Don't have no babies. Then I wanna go back now.
Hey guys, so I hit some chest with back. I hope you hear what I say, cause this boy is singing. So yeah, I hit some chest and back. The boys hit some chest. They only trained half of what.
Baby, I wanna go back now.
This is what happens when you fucking watch TikTok too much. What the fuck? Oh. We're on our way to Demo to get some sushi. It closes at 10, so we have to hurry up. If you want to eat,
Hurry the fuck up.
hurry the fuck up. Hey, what's up guys, good morning. It's 12 o'clock, we're gonna eat breakfast, but before that we're gonna hit up the sauna. I don't know if it's called morning sauna. Oh my god, a fucking grizzly bear. Anyway. Alright guys, breakfast, same shit as yesterday. 3 whole eggs, 2 pieces of bread with some ham and some cheese on top. Oatmeal, banana and some strawberry jam with some orange juice.
Okay.
Bow! August 30 fucking shit. Joo, patellaan vittu kuva mitä. Alright guys, it's time to head home, but before that we're gonna go out and eat. Alright. Pate, what we're gonna eat?
Pizza.
Pizza. We're gonna eat pizza. No. No pizza.
Mennään keskustelemaan.
Okay, he wants to hunt for pussy and I want some food. Alright guys, we are at Ratina, but this place is fucking dead. There's like nothing open. We need to find a place to eat some food.
Kuuteen. Mennään pois.
Sanois mä, että lähdetään näin fucking myöhään?
Joo.
Sanoin.
Joo, sanoin.
We're on our way back to the car. We didn't find shit, everything is closed. We have to find another place. We were thinking of going to Idea Park, but that shit is closed also. So we have to find a restaurant nearby.
Hyvä paikka.
Hyvä paikka. Mitä salaatti?
Me ei mennä muurahaissalaatti.
Muurahaissalaatti.